Microsoft's Surface Go 2 is one of the best cheap laptops you can buy, and it's gotten a sequel today, the new Surface Go 3. The device looks identical to the Surface Go 2. The two devices have the same 10.5-inch 1920x1280 display, the same set of cameras and speakers, the same ports, and the same dimensions. There's one significant difference: new Intel processors. Microsoft says the chip bump will make the Surface Go an even more powerful device for out-and-about use, 60% faster than its predecessor. The device runs Windows 11, and the camera supports Windows Hello facial recognition. The Surface Go 3 starts at $399.99 and is now available for pre-order on the Microsoft Store. The Go 3 supports the Microsoft Pen protocol, though a stylus isn't included. There's optional LTE. You can't buy LTE models yet, but Microsoft says they're on their way in the coming months.